Congratulations on the purchase of your new 2020 Ford Edge SEL. My name's Jim Brickell. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of some of the key features on your new vehicle. It does have the power liftgate, so it can be activated by that button, the one on your key fob, from inside the vehicle, and then from back here you can also close it. The height that the rear door opens is programmable, so you can do that. And on the driver's side, it is your fuel door. Push it and release. It does not need a gas cap. It is the easy fuel system. Intelligent access. When you touch this part of the door handle, it opens. When you touch this part, it locks. The vehicle comes complete with a power driver's seat. This button will move it forward, back, lift it up, and lower it down. This will change the angle of recline, and this one is your lumbar support. On the driver door, we have our power locks and your power mirrors and power windows. For the mirrors, touch which one you want and then use the arrows to control. And it is a push button start, so foot on the brake. Now, from left to right, we do have the automatic headlamp system. So right there, it's in the automatic setting. The fog lamps are over here. And these buttons are your power hatch and your traction control system on and off switch. The vehicle is equipped with lane centering, and on your turn signal, there's a little button at the end. When you push it on, lane keeping system is now on. So when you're driving down in here, it would light up green when you're within the lines, yellow as you're getting close, red if you were trying to cross it while the vehicle is trying to keep you in. So you can pick and choose what information is displayed. Right now we have the distance to empty. There's the 5-way on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, and as you push it down, it changes the display. There we have the tachometer, an engine temperature added in, tire pressure, your speed, your speedometer digitally, and if you hit the OK, it switches from miles per hour to kilometers per hour. And back to distance to empty. So what is displayed is completely up to you. On the steering column, you have your cruise control. So on and off, set and resume is to increase the speed 1 mile per hour or go down 1 mile per hour. And for your adaptive cruise control, not only can you set the speed, but you can set the distance to stay behind the vehicle in front of you. And in your display on the right side, you once again can control what is showing there. So the song playing at the moment on your Sirius satellite radio. You could have your navigation features in there. If there's no distance or destination set, it would show a compass. And you could also have a phone. Right now, no phones are connected. Down below, when the stereo is on, we've got your volume. Up and down, seeking to the next station. This one is very important. That's your voice activation. There's about 10,000 commands that you can say by voice, and the car will carry out. I'll just do a quick sample. Set temperature 20 degrees.
Setting temperature to 20 degrees.
And down below we have where you could set the temperature manually, adjust your fan speed, where the air is flowing, and it is a dual zone temperature control. So each side of the vehicle can have their own temperature. And then your heated seats, high, medium, low, and off. That's for both sides individually set. You can charge your phones, storage compartment, and the shifter in this vehicle is foot on the brake, and it's a little twist knob. And last but certainly not least, your vehicle does have an auto stop start. In the event you come to a stop sign, the engine can shut off while your foot is on the brake and seamlessly restart when you lift your foot off the brake pedal. If you don't want it shutting off, you hit that switch as your override. So, happy motoring. If you have any questions, I'm Jim Brickell from Ed Learn Ford.